Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami paper toy camera model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this paper toy camera model, we'll need a square piece of paper. This is again a gimmick of the paper toy camera model, but this is a very basic camera which kids used to make and which we used to play during our school days. So first we'll fold it along the horizontal axis, and let me just adjust this. Yeah, fold it along the vertical axis, make a smaller square. We'll have 4 flaps. We'll fold 1 flap on this side and other flap on the opposite side, like this. Open this from the center and fold it back again inwards, like this. Then we fold 1 here, and 1 here. This is a very easy model. This same thing we need to repeat 3 times basically. So now you open it, you will have this square structure. Now you fold it inwards again from the center, fold it back from the center, make a smaller square, press it properly. Again 1 flap on this side, another flap on this side. Open it back like this. Remaining 2 flaps, 1 flap on this side, other flap on this side. Open this. This is how it looks. Now need to fold this section like this. If you see how it looks, yeah, so if you hold it here, similarly we need to do it on all the 4 sides, like this, like this, and the final one. Press it tightly because this is a 3rd layer fold, so it will be a thick fold. So press it tightly, and this is how it looks. So now we just open this section here like this, and in this section like this. Now what we need to do is we'll just fold it along this axis. We'll just fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now we need to open entire thing and need to fold it backwards. So let me just do this. I just need to open this entire thing like this, and then fold it this side basically, and this is how it looks. And here we'll just make a lock. That's it. This is the toy camera model. We used to play a lot with this during our school days. So you click pictures like this, you just press it at this point, and this is how it clicks. Don't put a hard lock here. You can just put a normal soft lock like this, and then you just press it here. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next week. So guys, I hope you loved this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.